येरादारी नेमांचे उल्लंघन करतल्यां खातीर येरादारी खात्यान कडक नेम काडल्यात. येरादारी नेमांत सुदारणा जावची म्हण 90 दिसां खातीर येरादारी परवाने रद्द करपाचोय कायदो काडिल्लो. 1 ऑक्टोबर 2016 ते आतां मेरेन हजारां वयर परवाने रद्द केल्ल्याची म्हायती येरादारी खात्याचे उपसंचालक प्रकाश आझावेदो हांणी दिल्या. डेस्क गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिलो रॉड्रिगीज.
Considering the casualties, that is deaths on road due to accidents, our country has got almost about 1,49,000 deaths in a year. In Goa also, in the last year, it was almost about 336 deaths due to accidents. So the central government, the Supreme Court, have taken a serious note of all these serious accidents and deaths that are occurring on the roads, and accordingly various measures are being implemented. There is a committee appointed by the Supreme Court who are monitoring the performance of each and every state in this country. So they have identified 6 offences for which they have issued directions that there should be compulsory suspension of those drivers involved in commission of these offences for a minimum period of 90 days.
Okay.
This process has already taken shape in this state, and from 1st October 2016 till date, our licensing authorities have suspended more than 1,000 driving licenses of drivers for this period, with the hopes that this will improve their attitude. They also learn to drive in a disciplined manner, and that we have better road coordination, better driving habits, and hopefully see a decrease in the number of fatalities on the road. One is red light jumping, the second one is speaking on mobile while driving, third one is drunken driving, fourth one is carrying persons in a goods vehicle other than goods. When the suspension order is issued, the driving license is impounded by the licensing authority, and it remains with the licensing authority for these 90 days for the period for which the said license is suspended. Once the license is suspended, the driver or rider, whoever is, cannot ride a vehicle or drive a vehicle since he does not have a license. The authorization issued to him by virtue of this driving license stands suspended temporarily.
And if found driving or riding without a license when the license is impounded?
Well, if he is found driving when the license is suspended, then there is scope to register FIR against such people and get this driver arrested for driving a vehicle without driving license. Action has started. The results we will come to know only in the long run. But definitely the fear psychosis to a small extent has already started developing. So it is now for the people to realize the seriousness of all the drives that are being taken by various agencies of the government, and accordingly discipline themselves up. Use of helmet. It is not just a rule that is implemented by the government through various agencies. It is in the personal interest of the rider that he has to use a safety helmet to save himself from any head injuries and subsequently sometimes death or even being physically handicapped. It is a continuous process. It has been started and it is being monitored by the Supreme Court appointed committee. Every month the reports have to be forwarded to them. Quarterly reports on the number of suspensions affected is also to be sent to them. And in addition, there are a lot of other measures that are being taken. Gradually, we find that as on date, there is a slight decrease in the number of fatalities over the last year's period.